Branca House Extension by Piacesi Arquitetos Associados in Brumadinho, Brazil. During the construction of a warehouse to house materials and workers for the construction of his country house, architect Júnior Piacesi found the opportunity to create a loft in the space to enjoy restful days surrounded by nature. Thus the Casa Branca Annex was born. The annex enchants with its cozy, comfortable, and integrated with nature. The residence, located in the region of Brumadinho, Minas Gerais, has coatings in neutral tones and white cement, with natural textures such as wood, linen, and cotton that bring comfort on different scales. A practical environment that values natural lighting and connection with nature that embraces the entire space. The 110 square meters loft has a linear configuration in which the intimate area is separated from the social area through access from the balcony. The doors to the suites are camouflaged and, when opened, reveal rustic and elegant architecture. The volume is located in the middle of the lot, a location that allows a view of the treetops in the social area, creating a scenario to cleanse the soul. The kitchen, with a unique white coating, provides a space for experimentation, whether in decoration or in the act of cooking. Handmade pieces, ceramics, and soapstone dishes adorn the space through an effective decoration that reveres the culture of Minas Gerais. The island is a workspace and quick meal area, as well as housing the mini fridge, stove, sink, and cabinets.